various police stations of North and South Goa. And last week we had shared with you that during investigation, Porvorim police station had arrested 2 suspected masked men who were later identified as the persons who were committing these crimes. They had been identified as one Mr. Maria Baptista. He is 44 years old, a resident of Benolim, and another accomplice, Mr. Mohammad Sufian. He was 20 years old, resident of Kalkonda, and he was a first year BCom student. During the interrogations which we conducted with them, it was revealed that both these persons confessed that they had indeed committed a large number of burglaries in North Goa. They also confessed that they had handed over all the stolen ornaments to one Mr. Philip Rato, who is resident of Benolim, who thereafter used to sell these stolen gold ornaments to a goldsmith identified as one Mr. Samar Pal, who is having a small jewelry shop in Margaon. Both these persons were brought to the Porvorim police station and necessary legal formalities regarding their arrests were done. During the course of investigation, we have so far recovered around 500 grams of stolen gold jewelry. That is around half a kg. And all these persons have confessed to have committed these thefts in a coordinated and in a well-planned manner. I am very glad to share with you that because of the good work done by Porvorim police station under the supervision of SDPO Shri Vishwesh Karpe and PI Rahul Para, we have been able to work out a total of 19 cases. This is perhaps a record which has been created where such large number of cases have been worked out. I will read out the details of the cases which have been worked out. There are 4 cases of Porvorim police station, 4 cases of Panjim police station, 2 cases of Agashi police station, 1 case of Mapsa police station, 2 cases of Anjuna police station, 5 cases of Fonta police station, and 1 case of Old Goa police station. So total of 19 cases have been worked out. Around half a kg of jewelry, gold jewelry has been recovered, and we have yet not finished the investigation in this case. We are hopeful that in the coming days more recoveries are likely to happen and more number of cases will be worked out. As I had shared with you previously, around 10 days back, similar good work had been done by Mapsa police station, in which through their swift action and good detection, we were able to, in a record period of time, recover significant amount of stolen jewelry. I also now today congratulate the entire team of Porvorim subdivision, which has been able to link all these cases. इन केसेस को लिंक करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी रहा कि इन सब से जो पूछताछ के अंदर we were able to get specific details of when they had committed which thefts. Then we then traced corresponding FIRs which had been registered in the respective police stations, and CCTV footages were matched, and that is how we've been able to recover this amount of stolen jewelry, and we've been able to work out these many cases. So this is all from my side. Now if you have any questions you may ask.
चोरी कब से कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, ये हमारी जानकारी में इसके ऊपर पहले भी कई केसेस दर्ज हैं, और लेकिन अभी जो रिसेंट ट्रेंड इसने शुरू किया वो इट हैज बीन फ्रॉम February of this year. So he had been committed these thefts for almost 7 to 8 months. जी
सर इससे पहले कोई केसेस रजिस्टर नहीं होता?
इसके ऊपर जैसे मैंने कहा कि करीब 14 केसेस पहले गोवा के अंदर रजिस्टर्ड हैं. ये कुछ समय जेल के अंदर भी काट चुका है और कुछ केसेस के अंदर ही इज प्रेजेंटली अंडर ट्रायल एंड ही इज आउट ऑन बेल. द अदर बॉय हु हैज बीन अरेस्टेड, there are no previous cases against him and there are also no cases against the 2 receivers जिनको हमने पकड़ा.
पर अभी जो पकड़ा है वो स्पेशलिटी यही थी क्या, वो अभिमानी है तभी चोरी करता था या बल करता था?
ये एक तरीके का जो इनका मोडस ऑपरेंडी था वो ये था कि दे यूज्ड टू आइडेंटिफाई वल्नरेबल हाउसेस and houses which used to have sliding doors and no grills. तो ग्रिल ये स्लाइडिंग डोर को धक्का देके अंदर घुस के he used to commit jewelry, but he for some time used to also be a coconut plucker. So he was very skilled in climbing. तो कुछ इसने अटेम्प्ट चोरियों के ऐसे भी किए हैं जिसके अंदर ये पाइप से चढ़ के जो छोटे छोटे वेंटिलेशन के होल्स होते हैं उसके अंदर से घुस के भी इसने चोरियां कमिट की. जी
गोल्ड जहाँ बेचा जाता है वहाँ पे रिकवरी का कोई तकलीफ होता है?
नहीं, मैंने आपको बताया जैसे कि इसके अंदर हमने रिसीवर्स को पकड़ा है जिनकी जो ज्वेलरी शॉप्स के अंदर इसको ले रहे थे, उनको भी हमने इसके अंदर अरेस्ट किया.
लास्ट जो गोल्ड चोरी हुआ था
देखिए इसके अंदर जो पूरी सप्लाई चेन है आप समझिए उसको हमने एक तरीके से अनकवर कर दिया. जिसने चोरी की उसको पकड़ा, जिसके साथ वो आता था उनको पकड़ा, जिसको वो फर्स्ट हैंडओवर करते थे उनको पकड़ा और फाइनली वो जिसको देते थे उसको भी पकड़ा.
कितने अरेस्ट है सभी अभी तक?
एक हाँ
कितने अरेस्ट है टोटल अभी?
टोटल इसके अंदर 4 लोग अरेस्ट. थैंक यू.
Yes, sir.